Are our characters not Yazidi? By character wise, we are not Husseini. If you are not the solution, you are part of the problem. If you are not Husseini, your characters are not Husseini, what are we? This is the lesson we get from the incident of Karbala. Every year we remember this incident, but the lesson, the core lesson the Imam Hussein radiallahu ta'ala anhu has given us: oppose the forces of Yazid of your time. Don't get attached with the system. Don't go with the flow. Oppose, be the opposing force. Be the implementer of deen. This was the main core lessons, two lessons we have taken from the battleground of Karbala. Pray 5 times and oppose and implement the deen in your lives.